Hi, this is Dave Quatello at Siemens, and in today's Brain Shark, we're going to be talking about the long-awaited release and launch of the new plug-on neutral load center and electronic breakers. So let's get started. In this Brain Shark, we'll be covering many features, benefits, value propositions, and simply what's changing as it pertains to the plug-on load center electronic breakers for you, our sales force, for our channel partner, as well as the customer. The plug-on load center and electronic breakers fall upon three different tenets, that being simple, spacious, and secure. And we'll talk about those in this Brain Shark here today. Simple meaning the design and that it's just easy to use. It's spacious because of the wire bending space and it's easy to work with and work in. And then lastly, the security in terms of the neutral connection and the way that the breaker goes on the neutral bar. So we're going to be talking about those individually and then recapping at the end. So let's start with simple. The simplicity of the new plug-on load center is in the design. We're going to continue to have the same features as the ES and PL. As you can see here, they're listed, and there's no really need to go over them, but comparing the PL versus what we're going to catalog as the PN series, still have the convertibility, the bonding screw, the patented InstaWire, visible neutrals, it's invertible, and then most importantly, the sturdy hook rails. So just want to emphasize nothing is being taken away. We're actually adding additional features and benefits, and we're going to show those here in a little bit. So I mentioned, in terms of its simplicity, adding a new feature, that being the addition of the integrated neutral bus that runs just inside the hook rails, as you can see on the slide to the right. Taking a look at the picture here on the left, this new bus, coupled with the new plug-on breaker, allows electronic breakers to be installed in the same manner as any other breaker. With this design, there is no need to learn a new wiring practice, like wiring the breaker outside of the panel first, or a new technique, since the breaker installs with the same motions that you're used to, now without the pigtail. Now let's move on to the second tenet of the plug-on load center, which is spacious. Take a look at the picture here. Tell me what the difference is. Look at the left, look at the right. The new plug-on electronic breakers are in the same small footprint as the existing, which still results in over 4 inches of wire bending space. Now, with the pigtail out of the picture, the result is a spacious and clean installation that makes the panel accessible for any changes or troubleshooting, and it's very straightforward for the inspector to review. Again, left, old style, right, new, cleaner style, but keeping that same wire bending space available to the customer.